Alright, so I think that I'm still good on time to go into Pittsburgh. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm probably going to go towards Monroeville. But I wonder if there's any events near the Monroeville Mall. I haven't been up there for a while. I think this year I'm going to go back and do some Dawn of the Dead stuff again. I always like returning there. And there's updates. So it'll be a nice little fun trip. Not too far. Not too bad. But for now, I'll see you guys in a bit. So I have decided to actually go to the Mattress Factory today. We are returning to the Mattress Factory. But Courtney's at work. She's just been working a lot. And she's working 2 jobs right now. So that's why you don't see her in the videos as much. I wish I could do more videos with her, but I kind of can't right now. She's always at work. That's what happens when you work 2 jobs. I think I gotta give you some Pittsburgh scenery though. I have to change the SD card though pretty soon, because this one's almost out. Regardless, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I have arrived back at Mattress Factory area, and I think we're on the north side of Pittsburgh. So we're going to return to a familiar place, and one of our intros from the past actually has the front of this place in our intro. So I can't wait to go back here. And last time we were here, it was like 2021. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so we're on our way, heading to the Mattress Factory. And I know it's on near Monterey, but I don't know where. We're not too far from it. But yeah, we haven't been here since 2021. And since it's a nice day, no real big adventure, I figured might as well go here and check it out. See what they have updated. So, see you guys in a bit. Alright, so up ahead, the Mattress Factory shop and bakery, and then the Mattress Factory entrance up here. So we're about to enter into the Mattress Factory. It changed it up a little bit. Luckily, I'm not at the I'm not parked near here, so they have headless statues. I can't remember what was here, what was not. But there's a chair that sticks out. And as you can tell, this is the area that is in our intro. That's the basement. And this is what they found a while back. They took it out and opened it up. It's really sunny, so it's hard to see what I'm actually filming. Oh yeah, as you can see. Oh, sorry. That's what they found. So we'll head in there. I'll see you guys in a bit. So I guess they're adding new art, so the one section is closed, but we're gonna go to the scary building first. And this right here is the north mural. So it may not be as long of a video, but we'll still get a video out of it. I mean, I'm not going to complain because howdy, how you doing? Because I know when it comes to art exhibits, sometimes you need time to get some more ones up. Oh, okay. I think this is a scary building. Yep, this is a scary building. How you doing? Anytime. So if you guys know, this year, a couple months, about 2 months from now, we're going to be seeing the solar eclipse. But I'm looking back, I cannot remember this area. not recognize this? Don't worry, I'm the YouTuber, so.
Nice.
Like, cause I used to have like an upside down attic or something like that, and I thought it was like started on the bottom floor and like what?
I don't know. This is our first time here.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry.
No worries.
You guys from here? Or?
No, just visiting.
Oh, okay.